How you can use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on your PC. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, take the racing wheel out of the box and check for all the parts. Make sure you have the wheel, pedals, and all the cables. Now, connect the racing wheel to your PC using the USB cable. Make sure it's plugged in properly. After that, your PC will try to find the wheel and install the drivers. If it doesn't, you might need to get the drivers from the Thrustmaster website. Next, place the pedals on a flat and stable surface. This will help you press them easily. Then, connect the pedals to the wheel using the cable that came with it. Now turn on the racing wheel. You'll need to follow the instructions from the company to calibrate it the right way. After calibration, go to your PC's control panel. Here, you can change things like how sensitive the wheel is, how far it turns, and how strong the feedback feels. You can also change what the buttons do. Set them up in a way that feels best for you. Once everything is ready, open a racing game that works with the wheel. Go into the game settings and set it up for your wheel. And that's it. That's how you can use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on your PC.